Hello and welcome back to another screencast. Today I want to set up a simple window, a casement frame on one side, fixed glazing on the other side, and I want to show you a couple of tricks how to modify that window to change direction, to mirror it, and yeah, let's get going. So we start with another empty template. So we want to have the casement frame here. I have the glazing here, mullion in the middle. So we add a main frame, we add a layout to the main frame so that we can divide it. We add a mullion. So now we have these two different sections. We add a frame to the layout, which covers the whole layout by default. So we want that to end at layout line 1. We want it to overlap with the main frame, and we want it to open inwards, like interior side. And we want to add a panel, which is the glazing, and that's our frame. So now we want to add the fixed glazing. So you can see when we add that to the layout, it covers the whole layout. So we want that to start at layout line 1. Just give it a more glass-like color. That's another blue. Let's make the frame maybe another green. And the mullion also some kind of green. Okay, so that's the actual window. You can see in the plan. In the section you can move this cutting line here, so you see the casement frame side and you can see the fixed side. We actually want to maybe do the glass to go into the frame like that, and we're going to do this with the other one as well. So that looks good, and we want to add opening symbol lines to the frame. So we add a symbol line, so you can choose the side it points to, so that goes left. Let's make that to right. And we want another one which goes up. So that would be a tilt and a swing. And yeah, that's basically the window we wanted to create. So we'll rename that to window template number 2. And I'll just quickly do a copy of that so that this is the template that I will share. And so we'll duplicate that. So now I want to show you two things. One is the casement frame on the other side. So just basically mirroring the situation here. Let's do that first. So you remember when we added it, it covered the whole layout. So we just go back to that state. So we remove that layout line. So now we have the casement frame, the full layout. You can see it overlaps with the other one here. And we just want it to start at the layout line 1. And we do the same with the panel. So we want to end here. And that basically just moves the elements into different sections. And that's exactly what we want. So you have here, you can see the glazing, and when we go on the other side, you have the casement frame. So that's one thing that we wanted to do. And the second one, if you would want to have the casement as an overhead and maybe the fixed glazing at the bottom, that's a very simple one, because the whole setup of those two things sits in one layout. So this is this layout, and this layout is currently horizontally distributed, so that means from left to right. And if we change that to vertical, then it's distributed from the bottom to the top. So that was quite easy. And in this case, maybe we just want to remove that symbol line. And yeah, that's it. And that would actually be another sample. So let's just rename that to 3. And we have another template. So I hope that was helpful. If you don't have yet an account, you can sign up at revitfamily.app. You can sign up for free. You can play around in the editor, and you can clone those templates that I've just created here as a starting point, or you can just start from scratch. So I hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next screencast.